Hi friends, we are ready for Unit 5, Week 1, Day 4. This week we've been talking about how we can classify and categorize things. We have talked about classifying hats and categorizing hats. We've been talking about buttons, like big and small, thick and thin, round and square, four holes, two holes, right? We've been talking about different ways we can categorize things, big, medium, small. There are lots of different ways. All right, we're going to review our vocab today. How could you classify pens and pencils? You could say pens in one, pencils in one, right? Or you could say writing things that work, writing things that don't. Maybe there's a broken pencil or like a pen that doesn't write. It's not working, right? Okay, what about apples and grapes? How could we categorize them? Red fruit and purple fruit? Yeah. Or red fruit and green fruit, right? But some apples are green, right? Yeah. All right, good job. Okay, how could you distinguish the shape of a ball with your eyes closed? How could you distinguish if it was a ball? If you're feeling it, you could feel that the ball is what? Round. A ball is round, right? Would you rather read an entire book or parts of a few books? You'd rather read a whole book, right? Because if you just read parts, is it going to make much sense? No. You'd rather read the whole book so that you know what's going on and you can understand it. How do we organize toys and books in our classroom or in your classroom? We put them nicely on shelves, right? Or like toys, they have special bins or places that they go in our room. Right. What might you do if you were suddenly startled by a loud noise? You might go, right? Or scream, right? Because you get startled, you get a little bit scared because you're like, what is that? What's that noise? All right. Which word does not belong? Part, harm, chase. Chase doesn't belong. Part and harm both have R in them. Match, harp, cat. Match, harp, cat. Harp doesn't belong. Match and cat both have the ah sound. Horn, mark, force. Horn, mark, force. Mark doesn't belong. Horn and force both have or in it. Night, like, dare. Night, like, dare. Dare doesn't belong. Night and like both have the long I sound in them. Cart, feel, charm. Cart, feel, charm. Feel doesn't belong. Cart and charm both have the R sound in them. Boat, sharp, charge. Boat, sharp, charge. Boat doesn't belong. Sharp and charge both have the R sound in them. This week we've been talking about AR, and we know that AR says what? R. All right, so get those line pulls out or tiger pearls, and let's go ahead and tap. Here we go. K, R, car. K, art, cart. Arp, harp. Ch, arm, charm. Sh, arc, shark. Nice work. All right, today we are going to review our sight words really quick. We're going to go through them 2 times. You ready? Here we go. Put, only, for, large, none, round. All right, can we go super fast? Here we go. Round, large, put, none, for, only. Good job. All right, today we're going to be reading a story called Sort It Out. And we're going to be reading about different ways to sort objects and animals. All right, some things are alike. Some are different. We can sort things by looking at what is the same about them. We can sort them by their size, shape, and color. Find the buttons in this picture. Let's sort them. How many round buttons can you see? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 round buttons. Man, that's a lot of buttons. How many square buttons can you see? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 square buttons. What other shapes do you see? We did round, circles, and we did squares. What other shapes do you see? I see a triangle. I think that's it. Triangle buttons. All right. Add up the number of red buttons. All right, let's count red buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think those are pink. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 red buttons. Oh man. Are there more red or yellow buttons? Okay, so we had 10 red. Let's count yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We had more yellow buttons, didn't we? Can you find buttons with 4 holes? Oh, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's 16 buttons with 4 holes. How else could we sort these buttons? We could do big buttons and small buttons. Yeah. All right. We can sort animals too. We can sort animals by features. Which animals have 4 legs? Which animals have 2 legs? Which have none? Which animals have patterns? Which animals have yellow? Which are bigger than you are? We can classify animals by type. Which are birds? Which are reptiles? Which are mammals? What are other types of animals? What other types of animals can you see? We see lots of different ones. So you can see fish, right? Yeah, there's lots of different ways that we could categorize these animals, big and small. We could classify them by babies and not babies, right? Animals that can swim, can't swim. Animals that can swing on a tree, can't swing on a tree. Yeah, there's lots of different ways. Sorting is a lot of fun. Let's sort things in this scene. Think about what they have in common. Which of these things have wheels? Ooh, bike, wagon, car, truck. Which eat food? People do and kids, right? But do rabbits eat food? Yeah, we could also say the rabbit and the dog because they eat food. Which can fly? Kites can fly. Birds can fly, airplanes can fly. Which have stripes? Ooh, the wagon has stripes. His shirt has stripes. The basket has kind of like stripes. Yep. Which have windows? Buildings, cars, boats. Which would you play with? Ooh, play set, a kite, a bike, a wagon, a cat, a dog, a frisbee. You might play with a boat. There are lots of ways to sort things in this scene. Think of as many ways as you can. Can you think of any more ways we could sort them? We could say things that are alive and things that are not alive. So like grass is alive, people are alive, trees are alive, right? Are buildings alive? No, right? Things that move or things that don't move? Nice work. All right, that's it for today. We'll see you next time. Bye.